Hey there! Welcome to our quick guide on getting started with Schema Builder in Salesforce. Managing Salesforce's data architecture can be complex and challenging. What if you had a tool that made it effortless, offering a clear, visual way to manage your data model and object relationships? Schema Builder is the answer, helping you visualize and organize your data like never before. Schema Builder is a visual tool for viewing and modifying your Salesforce data model. It provides a dynamic, drag-and-drop interface for viewing all objects and their relationships in one place. Think of it as a digital blueprint for your Salesforce setup, helping you manage and customize your data model without getting lost in code complexities. Now, let's discuss the features of Schema Builder. Modify custom objects. Easily change the behavior and structure of your custom objects. Create and delete. Add new custom objects and fields, or remove them as needed. Field management. Adjust the properties of custom fields and control their permissions. Visual layout. Use drag-and-drop functionality to arrange objects and fields on the canvas. Elements in Schema Builder are as follows. Element tab. Drag objects and fields onto the canvas to create or modify them. Object list. Display and hide objects on the canvas. Legend. Understand relationships like lookups and master detail. View options. Control what elements and relationships are visible. Moving on to the benefits of using Schema Builder. Simplifies complex models. Easily design and understand complex data models. Real-time updates. Make and deploy changes instantly. Interactive experience. Use the drag-and-drop feature for a more engaging setup process. Available across editions. Works with both Salesforce Lightning and Classic. Let's now walk you through the steps on how to access Schema Builder. 1. Open Setup. Click on the gear icon and select Setup. 2. Search for Schema Builder. Use the Quick Find box to locate and open Schema Builder. 3. Explore the canvas. You'll see a blank canvas where you can start creating and managing your schema. Here are the steps to use Schema Builder. 1. Creating objects. Go to the Elements tab, drag an object onto the canvas, fill in the details, and hit Save. 2. Adding fields. Choose a field type from the Elements tab. Drag it onto an object, fill out the details, and save. How to create custom objects. 1. Access Schema Builder. Search and select Schema Builder in Setup. 2. Add an object. Drag the object field to the canvas, enter details in the pop-up window, and click Save. 3. View your object. Click the drop-down arrow next to your new object and select View Object to see the details. The steps to create custom fields are: 1. Add a field. Drag a field type from the Elements tab to an object on the canvas. 2. Define the field. For picklist fields, enter the field label, name, description, optional, and values. 3. Save changes. Click Save to apply your changes. Schema Builder is available in both Salesforce Lightning and Classic editions, making it a versatile tool for all users that streamlines Salesforce development and administration. With the correct permissions, anyone can use Schema Builder to enhance their Salesforce experience. Start exploring and make your Salesforce experience more intuitive and productive. Need help finding the perfect and best-in-class CRM services for your business? Cloud Analogy has you covered with our comprehensive service packages. As a leading Salesforce consulting company, we deliver tailored solutions, including website development, Zoho CRM consultancy services, HubSpot consulting packages, CRM management services, and robust digital marketing services. Contact us today to schedule a free consultation and discover how we can revolutionize your business operations in countless ways. Don't keep waiting. Empower your business with cutting-edge technology and personalized support from Cloud Analogy, your trusted Salesforce consulting partner.